Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Yvonne here. If you don't follow me already, my name is Yvonne. I usually go to the Goodwill events. I go to thrift stores, yard sales, garage sales, and I look for items either to resell or keep for myself. If I'm reselling anything, it's usually a handbag, an accessory, or anything else. That's usually what I like to look for mostly. I'm under at Orejitagirl on Poshmark and on eBay, and Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on Instagram. If that's something you want to follow me on as well, go ahead. But today I'm coming at you with a different video. Like I said, I love going to the Goodwill events. It's my favorite place to shop at. But I also like getting free things in the mail. So if that's something you're into, definitely keep watching, because I got some free samples in the mail. These were, I didn't pay absolutely anything for them. I get them through sponsored ads. And if you want to know how to get samples and things to sponsored ads, definitely go on the description bar and look for that link. I have a link down below. It's a video. I did a short video on how to get things to sponsored ads so that you can also get them, because they are very easy to do. And yeah, I've gotten quite a bit of items, and I also do a lot of like giveaways and stuff like that. So I have a lot of those videos also in my channel if you want to go look at those. And I have a lot of them coming up that are going to be a little older, but I did mention in another video that they are going to be older, but they're still relevant. I want you to see what I got, so that maybe you can go sign up for these services as well. So yeah, okay, so starting off, I got this is going to be a quick little, like I said, samples thing that I got. And I got 3 things here. That's what I ended up getting. So we're going to jump in, and I'm going to show you what I got in these little samples. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just trying to cover my information on one of them. But the first one that I got was this one. And it came in this little padded envelope here. So let's go ahead and open it up to see what it is. I am wearing a white shirt, so it's probably gonna glare off in the video. It always does, but I didn't want to change it. I mean, what for? I'm just filming a quick video. Alrighty then. Okay, so this is it. This is from Allegra Bassimi. Yeah, Allegra Bassiami. Inspired by famous Italian love affairs, Bassiami literally translate to kiss me like a love potion, channel the dizzying feeling of falling passionately in love through an intoxicating floral ambery fragrance. And you can see it there. And you see it, it's by Bulgari. So it's basically a Bulgari perfume called Allegra. Nice. So here's the little, oops, the little sample. I have gotten this before in a different, in a little Macy's box. So this is really nice. Thanks, love it. These are great to carry in your purse. Try it out. If you like it, then you can go purchase the full size if you like it. So those are always great to get. Okay, so next I have this one here, and this one came in a little flat envelope. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here we go. Okay, this is the Meat Sensitive Skin's favorite sunscreen. This is from Blue Lizard, and I did sign up for this one because I'm looking to try sunscreens that are basically invisible, and I believe this one was supposed to be invisible. Let's read up on it. It says 20 years Blue Lizard Australian sunscreen has been trusted by dermatologists, pediatricians, and parents. We care deeply about our customers, the quality of our products, and our impact on the planet. It says 100% mineral sunscreen active ingredients. All products are free from fragrances, parabens, and phthalates, cruelty-free and vegan formulas. And yeah, I want to say this was one of those that doesn't show up as a white cast, but I could be wrong. But either way, I'm looking to try new sunscreen. So this is great. You can read the info on it there if you'd like to. I'll pause it and read it. Hopefully I have it in the screen. I think I do. Yeah, I do. Okay, and then I got also some coupons. So there they are. Just some discount little coupons. Great. So that's great to try. I'm always looking forward to trying a sunscreen. And then lastly, I got my little trusty Macy's box. I love getting these. These are my little old favorite because I do get a lot of little perfume samples in these and cologne. So, and I do always share with friends. So I do not keep it all, whatever I don't particularly care for, I will pass on so someone else can try it out because that's all the fun in it. And I talk more about how you can get these little boxes in my video as well that I have linked down below. So go ahead, check it out. But this comes with a little Macy's card. And then if you like the fragrances, you can obviously just go to the QR code, scan it, and it takes you straight to the fragrances that they send you. So that's always helpful. And let's see what I got. Okay, so the first one, and let me see if I can open one at a time here. First one that I got was this one. And this is a 212 VIP Rose NYC Elixir by Carolina Herrera. So Carolina Herrera, here you go. I'm probably going to like this because I do like rose scented things. And if this is rosy, I will probably like it. You can pause and read about it if you'd want to. There it is. Perfect. Oh, yes. It does smell good. It's just got blackcurrant, rose, peach blossom, patchouli. Does smell pretty good. So I've got that one. Then I got a true favorite, the Viva La Juicy by Juicy. Yes, I love all the Juicy ones. I just think they smell so, I don't know, good. In my opinion, I think they smell good. Yeah. But here's the info on the Juicy. If you want to stop and read that, you can. There it is. I'm trying to get it where it doesn't show me so that you can read the thing and pause and read it, but there it is. Really nice. That's what the bottle looks like. Super cute. Super cute. Yes. I believe that's the one that I like by Juicy. There is one I specifically like, and I think it is that one, but I'm not sure. This next one is the Valentina Umo, born in Roma. Valentina Umo, born in Roma. Extra Dosi perfume. Another woman's. Look at that. And you just open these up, and then there's your little fragrance in there. So, and you can see the little fragrance there. So yeah, these are great. Like I said, to carry in your purse, take with you. Maybe if you travel, perfect to just put in your purse. And now you'll have several of them to try out. This is a Narciso Rodriguez for her. Wow, the Perfume Intense. Really nice. Real nice. Here's the info on it if you want to pause and read it. There you go. And then the little vial is just inside of here. So here it is. There we go. Super cute. So I got that one, and I don't know if there's any more in here, but let's see. And that is it. The box is now empty, so that's all that I got in there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing that I just did. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and check out my video on how you can get the sponsored ads to show up for you for all the amazing freebies that I get. I mean, I have not had to buy honestly, you know, like a full-size perfume unless I really want to. Unless there's something, you know, that I absolutely have to have, then I will purchase it. But for the most part, I use my samples and I'm good to go. But if, yeah, if you're looking to try samples and not looking to pay the high price for them, definitely look into how you can get those sponsored ads to come up for you. They do randomly come up. And the way I find out about them is through the Freebie Guy and Lisa Loves Freebies. There are, from me, the ones that usually will post it. Lisa Loves Freebies on Instagram. The Freebie Guy is everywhere on social media. Heavenly Free Steals, another one that will post them, and she posts a bunch of deals too. At least I think it's a lady. I'm not sure, but anyway, follow those social medias so that you can get also the the other samples and things that are available and shop sales and that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.